a single shot 40mm launcher.
Reaching out to a new generation, Future Women Leaders in Law Enforcement is encouraging young women to learn more about careers in law enforcement.
I decided to come to this because I've always been really interested in law enforcement, and right now I'm timed between joining the military and going straight into the police academy.
I think I wanted to go into SWAT, I wanted to go into patrol and then K-9, and I also found the K-9 unit as interesting as the SWAT program.
I've always been interested in the police, you know, in the TV show, it looks really cool. And then when I got into searching more of it, I got more interested and got more into it, and I like to protect my community.
We have a lot of people from federal places like FBI, CIA, they all come in and tell us about their jobs. It's really cool because they give you, life advice, job advice, and it really helps you get interested in maybe what you want to do later.
Focus on high school females not yet committed to a career choice, but who have an interest in the field. The program highlights successful women in law enforcement.
We have the ladies here today trying out the obstacle course that the recruits in the police academy do. Also running them through some control tactics, some defensive tactics.
Sit down! Back! Down! Quit resisting! Down! Let him have it!
They're also doing a shoot, don't shoot, use of force type scenario. What we learn about de-escalation and different levels of use of force, some of the decision making with handling firearms. The goal is to just connect with high school young women and get them an idea of what a career in law enforcement is like, and most importantly show them if they have an interest in law enforcement that just because of their gender there's really no limitations to what they can do.
There's tons and tons of vehicles that come, ambulances, fire trucks, and all this stuff. And we have hostage negotiators. We also have doctors. We have medical doctors that come out. We have psychologists that come out because they are working with the hostage negotiators to try to figure out, is this person in crisis? Are they having a mental breakdown? Do they have mental issues that spurred it? Trying to take people into custody safely and resolve things safely oftentimes boils down to using less lethal options.
It's fun watching them kind of learn more and more and get more excited as the week goes on. It almost makes me wonder if they were expecting to meet a female SWAT officer. So she's very impressive, and I have no doubt her gender means nothing to her coworkers.
Our helmets are Kevlar, and then they're hooked into a radio system. So, helmet goes on, we have eye protection we wear. So if I know nothing about a door when I walk up to it, and I'm carrying the big 50-pound ram that we use, I'm then going to have to split second be able to look at that door and make the decision how I'm going to ram it. You guys can see the ram. We generally put a smiley face on the bottom of it because it's comical and funny.
You come in here and see female homicide detective, firearms instructors, SWAT officers, motor officers, and you get to see them on a more personal level.
To go into water and flip upside down and have to climb out of something, right? Everybody's going to freak out, but everything to do with police and fire training is to train so that you might still freak out, but you're still going to know what to do. And that training's going to kick in, and you're going to instinctively do what you were trained to do, even though you're probably inside panicking.
I also have the presenters tell a little bit about themselves so that they learn that there is a work-life balance, that the detectives, officers, commanders, that they all have personal lives too. A lot of them are moms and, have hobbies and things like that are unrelated to law enforcement.
The Future Women Leaders in Law Enforcement program is open to all Northern Virginia high school girls, grades 10 to 12. Classes are ongoing.
It is a team building thing, and they just develop friendships and just have a good time.